you. Hello, Semli. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah.
Thank you for having us here. Can you tell us something more about your company?
Okay, my company is LEITE Plastic Industrial Corporation. It's located at Chenghai District, Sanpo City, Guangdong Province. We have over 17 years of making, manufacturing, and export. Our products have been sold over 30 countries and markets. Mainly market is Middle East, South America, and Africa, like this. Yeah.
Okay, and like, what is like the certification that you have?
We have many certifications can pass, follow the customer require, but mostly for the EN71 certificate.
What is your main product?
Main product is for the baby rockers.
Okay, maybe we can show it?
This is our main product. We have over 20 designs for it. This have the vibration function and also have the music function and the vibration. And also here have 3 positions for up and down, like this.
Okay. Can we show the position also? How to change the position?
If don't want to like to be worker, can like the chair, sit down like this, and taking out these toys. Have many design, over 20 designs.
Okay.
Yeah. Many colors.
What is the MOQ of this product?
Our factory no any MOQ for this. We support the customer.
Oh, that's amazing.
If want to make OEM or ODM, we will need the MOQ like this. Yeah.
Okay. That's very interesting. But now let's see the new product that you have right now.
The new products we making for the baby play mat like this series.
So is this one we are seeing
like
here,
this.
right?
Yeah, like this. Many designs.
Okay, so maybe we can show one of them at the camera.
Yeah.
So how many designs do you have for this one?
For this one is the circle styles. We have over 8 designs, but also we make the square like this. Many different kinds of design.
So you have square and round, right?
Yeah.
With different kind of design.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, perfect. And what if the people would like to contact you? Is there something more that you would like to tell to your potential customer about your company? Is there something else you would like to say?
We want to say that now many competitor making like this series, but our factory depends on the good quality and good price. Also, the price can competitive in every market, and also for the good style. And any problem for the quality, we can after selling any problem of the quality can tell us to solve.